Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And our video will be about the best motorcycle accident attorney or lawyer near me. This was been a request from one of our viewers. He requested that we do this. We just do a brief guide, or a brief, but it will be he requested a brief, but I'll be doing a comprehensive guide on the best motorcycle accident lawyer near me. So in this video, I'll break down the essential tips for finding a motorcycle accident attorney who not only understands the ins and outs of your situation, but is also dedicated to fighting for you. From checking the experience and success rates to understanding fee structures, I've got you covered. It's time to take control of your case and ensure you just don't settle for any attorney, but rather the best motorcycle accident lawyer or attorney. So let's go. We'll first look at how to identify the best motorcycle accident attorneys. When you're in the market for the best motorcycle accident attorney, knowing what to look for is key. It's not just about picking a name off a list, but finding someone who genuinely fits your needs. First off, do a little homework. Check out their reviews and testimonials. What have previous clients said about the experience? If they rave about the attorney, that's a good start. Consider their track record as well. An attorney who has successfully handled motorcycle accident cases does not just come in and win a few. They know the ins and outs of motorcycle laws and the common intricacies involved. Ask yourself, have they won significant settlements in cases similar to yours? This shows they have the expertise and likeliness of delivering the outcome you desire or you're out to look for. The next is about communication. Another essential factor to consider is how well the attorney communicates with you. You want someone who listens to your concerns and explains the legal processes in a way that's easy to understand. Are they quick to respond to your calls or emails? This opens up a smoother path between you both, and a good attorney keeps you in the loop every step of the way. The next thing to consider is your comfort level. Do not overlook personal comfort. You need to feel at ease with your attorney, as this relationship can be quite intense, especially during a challenging time like a motorcycle accident. Schedule consultations with a few candidates and gauge your feelings. Are they approachable? Do they feel like you can trust them? This personal dynamic is crucial in helping you fight for your rights effectively. Some of the important things to look out is to check their credentials and reviews, look for a proven track record in similar cases, confirm that it's proven, assess their communication styles, and ensure that you feel comfortable and understood. So we look at the next topic, which is the key qualities to look for in a motorcycle accident lawyer. When you're racing against time to find the best motorcycle accident attorney, knowing what to look for makes all the difference. First and foremost, you want a lawyer who specializes in motorcycle accidents. Trust me, you don't want someone who dabbles in divorce cases or real estate. Each area of law has its quirks, and motorcycle accidents cases can be complex. Making sure your attorney has solid experience in handling cases similar to yours is key. Look for someone with a history of winning cases and getting fair settlements for their clients. Do they understand the intricacies of motorcycle law and insurance? This expertise can give you a significant edge in your case. So, the things you'll be looking out for are strong communication skills. Here you will want someone who will keep you in the loop. You'll also be looking at a track record of positive reviews from past clients. Here you'll have to do a little research so that you can get this track record. And we'll also look at how comfortable are you with your negotiations. It's important to look for an attorney who can confidently argue your case. Do not underestimate the importance of a personal connection with your attorney. You need someone you can trust, who understands your unique situation and will work towards your best interests. Right? You want to feel like you're a team, not just another case number. Plus, how cool is it to have a lawyer who's just as passionate about motorcycles as you are? Lastly, it's essential to discuss the fees up front. You want to be clear on how they charge, whether it's a contingency fee or hourly rates. Honesty about costs can prevent nasty surprises down the line. Remember, the best motorcycle accident lawyer is not just about flashy ads and slogan, it's about finding someone who checks all these boxes and feels right for you. So let's move on to the next, which is the role of experience in choosing your attorney. When it comes to selecting the best motorcycle attorney near you for your case, experience plays a starring role. Think of it as the secret sauce that can make all the difference. An attorney with a solid background in handling motorcycle cases is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Each case is unique, and having someone in your corner who knows the ins and outs of motorcycle law can give you a significant advantage. So, why should you prioritize experience? Simply put, an experienced attorney has navigated the twists and turns of the legal system many times before. They have seen what works and what doesn't, which means they can develop strategies tailored to your specific situation. In the high stakes world of personal injury law, that kind of insight is invaluable. Additionally, experienced attorneys typically have established relationships with insurance company and local courts. This can expedite your case and potentially lead to a more favorable settlement. Isn't it reassuring to know that the person advocating for your rights understands the game? But just don't take their word for it. When interviewing potential lawyers near you, ask them about the experience with motorcycle accident claims specifically. How many cases have they handled? What were the outcomes? These questions can gauge if they are truly the best motorcycle accident attorney for you. A confident attorney will be more than happy to share this information. Also, consider the attorney's track record in terms of client satisfaction. Reading reviews or testimonials gives you a glimpse into what it's like to work with them. After all, you want someone who not only knows the law but also cares about your well-being. So now we look at the important questions to ask potential motorcycle attorneys that are near you. Before you choose a legal partner to fight your motorcycle accident case, it is crucial to ask the right questions. Pinpointing the best motorcycle accident attorney isn't just about experience, it's about finding someone who aligns with your needs and expectations. So, what should you be asking potential motorcycle lawyers? Start with their experience in similar cases. You might want to ask, have you handled cases like mine before? This gives you insight into their familiarity with motorcycle accidents and their capability to secure results. Remember, not all lawyers are created equally. Some may specialize in car accidents but lack the specific know how for motorcycles. Next up, dive into their success rates. What percentage of your cases have resulted in favorable outcomes? A high success rate can be a strong indicator of their skill and effectiveness. Plus, knowing how they handle negotiations with insurance companies can give you an edge when it comes to settling your case. Additionally, inquire about their communication style. Are they responsive? You might ask, how often can I expect updates on my case? Good communication is key in any attorney client relationship, and it's important to know that your concerns will be taken seriously. Remember that you will be in this together. So, just what we looked at is to look at the experience in motorcycle accident cases, look at their success rate in similar cases, look at their approach to handling insurance negotiations, and look at the communication frequency and style. These questions can guide you into selecting the best accident attorney near you for your unique situation. When you feel well informed and confident about your choice, you set the stage for a smoother legal journey ahead. So we'll go through a brief as just some FAQs that I know that most people of you will be wondering. So the first one is how much are most motorcycle accident settlements? So most motorcycle accident settlements vary widely based on several factors, including the severity of the injuries, the degree of liability, medical expenses, lost wages, and long-term impacts on the injured party's life. On average, settlements can range from a few $1,000s for minor injuries to several hundred thousands or even millions for more severe cases involving life-altering injuries. The specifics of each case, including the evidence presented and negotiation skills, can significantly influence the final settlement amount. You might also be wondering, what is the average payout for a motorcycle accident? It depends on the state. For instance, in Texas, the average payout for motorcycle accident claims typically hovers around $30,000 to $50,000, although this can vary greatly based on individual case circumstances such as injuries sustained and fault. Some serious cases, especially those involving significant medical issues or long-term rehabilitation, may lead to payouts that exceed $100,000. Factors like liability, insurance coverage, and the presence of aggravating circumstances can also influence the final payout. You might also be wondering, what ability should the best motorcycle accident lawyer have? The best motorcycle accident lawyer near you should have a strong grasp of personal injury law, particularly as it pertains to motor vehicle accidents. They should possess excellent negotiation skills to achieve favorable settlements and have an extensive understanding of how to gather and present evidence effectively. Moreover, compassion and the ability to communicate clearly with clients can build trust and ease the legal process, ensuring that clients feel supported throughout their case. You might also be wondering, who is most often at fault in motorcycle car crashes? In motorcycle car crashes, vehicle drivers are often found to be at fault, primarily due to negligence or failure to see the motorcyclist. Common reasons include distracted driving, illegal lane changes, and driving under the influence. However, fault can also be shared, with motorcyclists occasionally found responsible for violations such as speeding or failing to adhere to traffic laws. Each accident is unique, and establishing fault usually involves a thorough investigation of the circumstances and behaviors of the parties involved. So let's move on to the most important section of this video today, which is understanding legal fees for motorcycle accident cases. When it comes to hiring the best motorcycle accident attorney near you, understanding legal fees is essential. You wouldn't want any surprises when it comes time to pay the bill, right? Most lawyers charge either a flat fee or a contingency fee. With a contingency fee, you only pay if your attorney wins your case, typically around 33% of the compensation. Understanding the structure of these fees can help you navigate the process with confidence. It is essential to have clarity on all costs involved. Some attorneys may charge for things like court filing fees, documentation, preparation, or even consultations. It is important, it is crucial, it is essential to make sure that you ask upfront about any additional costs you might encounter on your journey. And don't forget, the nature of the case can affect costs too. For instance, a straightforward case may have lower fees than a complex case that requires extensive investigations. It's a good idea to discuss the potential costs while interviewing candidates to gauge their transparency and honesty. When doing this, ask about if they offer flat fees for simple cases, if they do contingency fees that depend on winning, and ask about additional costs for investigations or documents. Lastly, make sure you review the contract before signing. This is very, 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 very important. This document should lay out all of the details about fees and costs associated with your case. Reading the fine print can prevent future misunderstanding. Who knows, the best motorcycle accident lawyer near you for your case might be someone who's as clear about fees as they are about fighting for your rights. So, finding the best motorcycle accident lawyer near you can generally make a difference in the outcome of your case. You've now got a toolbox of tips and insights at your disposal after watching through this video. With the right attorney by your side, your rights and interests will not only be protected but also aggressively represented. Whether it's assessing the experience, asking the right questions, or understanding those tricky legal fees, you are ready to make an informed decision. Have you thought about what qualities are vital for your ideal attorney? Selecting someone who specializes in motorcycle accidents is a game changer. Plus, with the right approach, you'll feel confident navigating this challenging process. Remember, the right legal partner can really lighten your load and guide you in reclaiming what you deserve. So, don't rush it, take your time and ensure it feels right. So, that is it. We've now talked about how to find the best motorcycle motorcycle accident lawyer near you. This was a request from one of our viewers. I think we have done a comprehensive view. Now, to find the best near you depends on your location. It's good to do some research of the people available attorneys in your location. Then, using the tips that we've discussed in this video, you can now then confidently narrow down that extensive list to one or two. Then from there, you can now pick who you are more comfortable with, or who you feel you have a special connection or some type of connection and feel is the right person to win your case. And that is it for our video today. Goodbye.